Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're checking out something that's not only powerful but can literally save the day for car owners. I'm talking about the OXILAM Jumpstarter 6000A, which claims to jumpstart any gas or up to a 12-liter diesel engine. Let's see if this device lives up to the hype. The OXILAM Jumpstarter 6000A sounds like a powerful option for large engines. Are you planning to showcase its features, like the peak amps and compatibility with both gas and diesel engines, unboxing and first impressions? Start with a warm greeting and an introduction to the product, explaining why you chose to review the OXILAM 6000A model specifically. While unboxing, go over each item with a close-up shot, including any cables, clamps, and additional accessories. Mention the first impressions of the materials and design, especially if it feels rugged and built to last, which is important for outdoor and emergency use. Features breakdown. Detailed explanation. For the 6000A peak current, explain how it provides the power needed to jumpstart large engines and how it compares to standard jumpstarters. Mention how that translates practically. More consistent starts for larger vehicles even in colder conditions. Discuss its compatibility with both gas and diesel engines, especially the benefit of working with large 12L diesel engines, which will appeal to truck and RV owners. Highlight useful extras. If the unit has USB ports for charging devices, LED lights, or other features, go into detail about how they could be helpful in an emergency. For instance, the LED flashlight could be crucial for nighttime use, or USB ports might come in handy during power outages. This broadens its appeal beyond just a jumpstarter. Real-world testing on different vehicles. Vehicle testing breakdown. Plan to show a sequence of jumpstart tests on different vehicles. Small car tests. Start with a smaller sedan, demonstrating how quickly it starts with minimal effort. SUV test. Move up to an SUV to illustrate its effectiveness with slightly larger engines, noting any change in the jumpstart speed or ease. Diesel truck test. Finally, showcase its power by jumpstarting a heavy-duty diesel vehicle or similar large engine vehicle. This will illustrate the 6000A capacity and highlight the jumpstarter's reliability for larger engines. Optional scene. To add value, conduct one of the tests in low-light conditions to show how easy it is to set up and use in a real roadside scenario. Focus on safety features. Safety details. Highlight each safety feature individually. Reverse polarity protection, overcurrent, and short-circuit protection are essential in any jumpstarter, but especially important for one with high amperage like this. Real-life benefits. Discuss how these features can prevent potential mishaps, particularly for less experienced users who might not be familiar with jumpstarting. Show how the unit alerts you to incorrect cable attachment, if applicable, by simulating a reverse polarity situation. This demonstration can build confidence among viewers. Ease of use and portability. Test its ease of setup by walking viewers through the setup in a real-life, impromptu style, perhaps even while wearing gloves to simulate colder weather use. This will help viewers see how the device performs in realistic scenarios, and if it's straightforward to use when under pressure. Final thoughts and recommendations. If you're someone who drives a high-capacity vehicle or often finds yourself in remote areas, this jumpstarter could be a lifesaver. It's easy to use, powerful, and packed with extra features. So, if you're in the market for a serious jumpstarter, the OXILAM 6000A might just be the one for you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this review helpful.